The reason I got it was so that I could, really, it was last year, last year, went to some retro events, and they were talking about the Spectrum Next, and I thought about, well, Spectrum Next. After speaking to some of the developers of the Spectrum Next and some of the software people making right software for it, it appeared to me that it was just an FPGA with a Spectrum keyboard on it. It was just that, but that's really good. And it's got a nice all in one box. And I thought, well, I've never owned a Spectrum Next. Never owned a Spectrum. Now I've got one over here. I'm going to be doing a whole thing. So I bought the Spectrum from Retro Computing. Retro Games Limited last year, because I never owned a Spectrum. My friends did, and my brother-in-law did. I never had a Spectrum, so it just seemed a bit silly for me to think I'm going to buy a Spectrum. Probably it took. It was still in Hong Kong or Shenzhen in China on Tuesday, so it's only taken 2 days to arrive here on the 24th to now. You can't complain too much. So there we go, Superstation One, nice box, one written on the side there. Superstation One, there's the actual device. Ooh. Lots of outputs, so there's the composite output, fold and click kind of box, we just fold it up and then clip pieces in. So that's enough for what we need today. That's over there. So, we've got Superstation, got this card. There's an SD card in here anywhere. Right, is that an SD card slot there? There is, look. So it comes with an SD card at the front there. I may have to make a backup of that before I even start, because I've had this before. If that gets fried, there's no recovery. So I'm going to just make a backup of that before I do anything else. So I've used a bit of FTP to connect to Superstation One. Right, load a Q file, CMR, load this one up. If I remember. I'd already moved company by then, I left him. And the Christmas 1997 I left. Just before this was finished, but we'd already started on Mike Tyson boxing, Journal and rugby and a few others, so English. Time ago I made this game. Can you remember all the stuff we did? Everybody thinks I'm supposed to be really good at it since I designed the game, but just because you design the game doesn't make you any good at it. Oh, I'm terrible. So, it didn't quite work as I was expecting before, because I was trying to run the ZX Next Core. The amount of VHD, but hard reset. Aha! Press enter for mode 7, let's press return. Yes, let's have that one. Press spacebar for menu, C for extra cores. Oh, didn't get that. Next, ZX. Where is it? Okay. Right, here we go. So if you know anything about the ZX Spectrum, it was obviously a Sinclair owned it, and then Amstrad, Mr. Alan Sugar, bought it from Sinclair around 80 something, 84, 85. So it all belongs to Amstrad PLC now. And then Gary Lancaster looking at this. Done this. What's this? Speed. So press left, right. And you go up and down on this. And then I don't know what logical drive CM mean, but we'll figure it out sometime. Command line next basic, like he was telling me in the guide. There's tape loaders, there's 48K basic, so it's 80, so it's 81. Okay, that's fun. Classics. I was doing some demos. Let's do some games. There's a game there. For the next game. Night Night. Get ready. I've got my joypad. Let's have a look. I can do it with a joypad. I can do it with the keyboard. What I'm going to do with a joypad. So I've got a joypad plugged in. Let's see if we can play this. Oh gosh. Let's get these ones up here done first. Down here. Look at me jumping. Can I jump down there? Oh gosh. Oh! That was a bit silly, buddy. Right. I assume when I get to the end of this loads of yellows. Whoops. There you go, past. I've got time. No time left. Time out in a minute. 9 seconds. Oh wow, I'm rubbish. Too hard for me. Can I go back from here? Can't come back to the main menu from here. I can go to that menu. So I'd have to use the keyboard to get back to, say, that. Press F4. Browser. That should all be in there now. On my disk. It shouldn't have to load up again. Yeah. It's nice of Philip and Andrew to make this available. I'll turn the sound up a bit. So I've got the Spectrum as well. So they haven't touched, but this is quite nice stuff. Spectrum next. Start the game. What's the password? I haven't got any passwords. I don't know if there's a jump or anything. Is there a jump in this? I've never played this game in my life. I feel really bad because Philip and Andrew are always like, oh well, we're so famous. And I remember joining them and going, oh, I've never really played anything you've ever done. I've never had a Spectrum. You talk about it all the time. Can you jump on that tree? Right. Jump on there. Nice. Jump on there. Ah, a waterfall, how pretty. Walk through it, yeah, walk through it. Must be joking. Nice. Oh, I'm going to die in the water. Yeah. There's a life. There's a coin up there. I'll go up there. Oh, for that, actually. Look at me and the coins. Oh, well, come on. Not this time. Don't jump up. Don't. Oh, look at that. Oh. Well, I don't want you to watch me play this, but I'm going to say play that. That's quite good. F4. Reboot. Browser.